This is a early defect intervention agent. So the product recalls are rarely sudden. They are usually preceded by the early defect signals like the rising warranty claim, repeated inspection failures, and supplier deviation. So this agent will help the team to act earlier by identifying the persistent risk pattern and enforcing the actions like containment, escalation, and risk ownership before the customer impact occurs. So let us test the agent. So here I ask the agent to show the SKUs with the rising warranty claims and repeated inspection failures. So the agent identifies the SKUs showing the both rising warranty trends and repeated inspection failures, a strong early risk combination. So it identifies the high risk containment SKUs like SKU 101, SKU 102, SKU 104, SKU 105, SKU 107, SKU 108, SKU 1110, SKU 291, SKU 293, 294, 296, 297, 299, 3 and 300. So these SKUs shows the multiple overlapping signals including the supplier deviations above norm and geographic complaint clustering, even though the recall thresholds are not yet met. So the risk is already compounding. So the agent recommends the immediate intervention for all these SKUs by isolating the affected inventory, preventing the further field exposures. Here I am asking the agent to escalate the items with the supplier deviations and above normal and clustered field complaints. So here, the agent identifies the cases where the supplier deviations and customer complaints are occurring together, indicating a very systematic issues rather than the isolated defect. So, below these are the items escalated because they meet the above condition, that is, the supplier deviation will be above norm and field complaints are clustered, that is geographic or time based. So, these are some escalated SKUs. SKU 101, 104, 107, 1110, 291, 293, 294, 297, and 300. So this prevents the situation where everyone is aware about the risk, but no one owns the decision. Here I ask the agent that which SKUs require the immediate intervention before the thresholds are met. So, uh, this view prioritize the most critical SKUs require the immediate intervention before the recall thresholds are crossed. So it clearly separates the containment cases, escalation decisions, and the high risk items where the current holder status is no longer sufficient uh, based on the early defect intervention rules. So here are the SKUs which require the immediate intervention. SKU 293, SKU 294, SKU 296, 297, 299 and 300. Then there are some and the other highest that are the 101, 104, 107, 291 and 297. So these are divided like highest or most critical are these five, then mandatory are SKU 102, 105, 1010, then 293, 296 and 300. Then the list that are on hold are SKU 108, 294, and 299. So, by acting at the stage where the signals persist but the outcomes are not yet fixed, then the organization can significantly reduce the recall frequency, limit the operational disruption, and protect the customer trust.